This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming basics that often block updates, internet access and correct system time because certificates depend on it. Once done, open Services, type Services, MSC, and find Background Intelligent Transfer Service, Cryptographic Services, and Windows Update. Stop them if running, then set their startup type to manual or automatic as required. You do this to clear stuck processes and prepare the update engine. Make sure to proceed in that order so dependent services restart cleanly and error chains are avoided. Now you reset the update components to remove corrupted caches. Open an elevated command prompt and stop update-related services using netstop commands for WUAServe, crypt svc, bits, and mSciServer. Next, rename the software distribution and cacheroot 2 folders to software distribution. Old and cacheroot 2. Old, this forces Windows to recreate them and discard bad data. Once renamed, restart the services in the recommended sequence. After the services are running, run Windows Update. This rebuilds necessary files and often clears persistent search or download failures. Finish by diagnosing deeper issues. Run the built-in Windows Update troubleshooter to automate common repairs and inspect Event Viewer for specific error codes that explain why searches fail. Then run sfc/scanno to fix corrupted system files and follow with dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the component store. Once done, try updates again. If problems persist, download the exact update from the Microsoft Update Catalog or perform an in-place repair to replace system files.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.